What is the difference American accent and British accent? Will you inform me? Accent.
Because my language.
Where are you from?
Hi,
Where are you from?
Mexico.
Mexico. Just I am talking to you from Bangladesh. This is our beautiful country, Bangladesh. Okay. Already I have followed you. Already I have followed you. You can follow me. Mexico. Are you from capital city? Mexico City. Capital Mexico City.
Tijuana City.
Iguana City. Okay. What is this? On hit?
What?
What?
Yeah, it's
Okay. Nice. You look amazing. Actually, fantastic. Actually.
Thank you.
Your name, full name, Marcela.
Yeah.
Marcela. Just what time is it now in your country? At present, what time?
5 p.m.
5 p.m.
5 p.m.
Oh, just here in our country, Bangladesh. 7:30 a.m. early in the morning. Wow.
Morning.
Yeah. So much difference. Time difference. Okay. Oh, your hairstyle is natural or artificial? Hair color fine. Excellent. Here.
Speeding.
Are you a student? Do you study? A student. Studying.
No. Working.
Of working. Just basically, I am a private teacher. I teach my students English and mathematics, 2 subjects. I teach. Just may I ask some questions? A little bit questions. May I ask you? Little bit. Okay. Just what is your favorite hobby?
Read.
Favorite hobby?
Yeah, read.
Oh, just my favorite hobby? Reading books. Most of the time. I read different kinds of books.
Okay.
Just could you please introduce yourself within short sentence? About yourself means myself. Within short sentences.
Myself?
Yeah. Myself.
Okay. I am 21 years old. I'm working. I'm not studying. My work is baby sister. I like cook and read books and play volleyball. My tall is 158, and yeah, just this.
Okay. Just I am giving my introduction. This is Zakariaspokenenglishworld. We are 3 brothers and sisters. I am the youngest of all. Already I have completed higher education and I am trying to search new job, but I don't get any kind of suitable job. As a result, I am related into teaching profession. I have been teaching my students since 20 years ago. Basically, I am a private teacher. I teach, I learn English in this platform. Every single day, I come to practice English with foreigners. Most of the time, I speak with foreigners I practice English more and more. That's it. Okay. Just how old are you? How old are you?
21.
21. Just I am 30. At present or currently I am 30. Do you have any brothers?
One sister.
One sister. You. Only you. Actually, your level, ID level and my ID level just same. Okay, fine. Okay, just do you have or have you any dream? Or do you have any dream? What is your future plan of life? What is your future plan of life? What do you want to do in future? Next?
My dream in future?
Yeah.
Dream. I want travel, you know?
Oh, you
Travel other country.
like to travel many countries. It is your favorite hobby. Oh. Okay.
Yeah.
Oh, recently have you visited any countries? Any countries recently visited? Where did you visit?
Yeah.
Where did you visit?
What do you think?
No, I am asking, where did you visit? Any country?
I want visit Asia.
But I didn't visit any country. Still, if I get a free chance, I will visit Mexico and United States. 2 countries I will visit in future. If I get a free time, I will visit. Okay. Most of the time you speak. US English. Most of the time you speak. Okay. Just I am going to one question. I am going to ask you one question. What is the difference American accent and British accent? Will you inform me? Accent.
I don't know. I don't know because my language native it's not English.
Oh.
So I don't know.
You are native speaker. Really?
My language native is Spanish.
Native Spanish. Oh, okay. Thank you so much.
Yeah,
You speak.
I can speak.
Yeah. But I can speak or we use English, American English. We use in our country American English. Always. We don't use British English at present or currently. We don't use. We use American English. Always.
American English.
Yeah, American English.
Yeah.
Have you ever visited our country Bangladesh? Have you ever visited our country Bangladesh? When did you visit?
Other country
Like Bangladesh,
Korea, and Thailand.
Thailand, 2 countries.
Yeah.
Oh, okay. Thank you. How do you spend your free time? How do you spend your free time when you get free time or past time? How do you pass your every single day? Free time.
I don't know.
Past time. How do you pass your or how do you spend your free time? Every single day free time. How do you watch? Nothing.
Single?
Yeah. Pass every single day. Pass. How do you pass? Or spend?
I don't know.
Oh, just I pass most of the time by reading books and teaching my students and reading books. I pass every single day free time even though most of the free time. Do you have any idea about glove? Do you have any idea full link about glove? A little bit.